Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to build a playground. But this is part one only. Part one. I may do a part two, and I may do a part three, but definitely a part one. So I grabbed this image. It's one of these playgrounds called Anne Arundel County. What playground is this? I'm going to show you exactly which one I carried. All right, this one right here. This one is the Captain Swing set right here. It's beautiful playground, huh? I think it is. So what I did was I grabbed the picture. Actually, I saved the picture the old school way. I added the reference. Um, let's go to object mode. So I added it with image reference. This picture popped up. Obviously, it started off like this, and then I moved the image all the way up. I grabbed it. Um, the sliders thingy, the plane was supposed to be at y. Now it's at negative y. It looks better at negative y anyway, my opinion. So I started using not necessarily planes. Oh, actually, I think I did use a plane. Yeah, it says right there. It should say plane. Um, I was going to use the other playground. That was so difficult because of the angle. So what I did was actually obviously to make sure these yellows are faded with the fill button, you press F by, so you know, edit mode, four corners, but you gotta shift. Two, three, and four. Press F. It's already filled, so it doesn't need to be filled now. Except what I would do now. Now it's better. Now it's angled better. Uh, right here, right here, uh, right here. It's okay. I'll worry about that later. Um, so if I, so this one, the toggle X-ray was on. This one, the viewport shading was on also. Um, Show Gizmo was on. What I will do is turn off X-ray. It looks realistic, right? Except playgrounds are not so bulky like that. They're not square. They're typically circular, like the design in the real life one. Uh, all right, right here, right here. All right, one, two, three, and four. This is odd. So if you have greater than four vertices in one corner, in not one corner, my bad, in one shape, then that's bad. If you have four or less, that's fine. Press F to respect. All right, and then obviously you want to make it better looking by, when I say better looking, I mean more closely aligned with realism. So you just don't want to have a damaged looking playground or something with defects, you know. Um, right here, one, two, three, F, one, two, three, four, F, one, two, three, and four, one, two, three. Again, three is okay, but I prefer four. One and two. One, two. All right, beautiful. Now, select uh, all by trait, faces by sides, equal to 4, greater than 4. Awesome. So this is part one. I'm going to save this as Playground Part 1. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is your host, Jason. You can call me Jason Haddad, but I prefer Jason. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care.